Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to compose a multi-image story on Instagram app. Instagram stories are fantastic because they are less permanent and more casual than regular Instagram posts. If you're looking for a fresh ways to add content to your Instagram stories, then here's a video on how you can post multiple photos at once and create a unique collage with multiple images. So tap on Instagram application to open it. Creating a story series consisting of multiple photos from your photo library takes only seconds on Instagram and allows you to add up to 10 photos at a time. So first, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on the plus button. Here at the bottom of the page you can see three options: post, story and live. Tap on story. Next, tap the photo icon to add a main photo to your story. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on this add photo icon. Now the choices for your second photo will appear on the screen. Tap on it and repeat this until you have the photos that you want for your stories. So drag the photos around for the reposition. Here you can add text, music or drawings to complete your stories. Once you are done, tap on send to and then tap on share option. And once you tap on it, tap on done. Once you tap on done, you have successfully posted the multi-image story on your account. So another way to add multiple photos to your Instagram story is you go to the bottom of your screen and tap on plus icon. Then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on story. Once you tap on it, at the bottom left hand corner you can see the photo icon. Click on it. Now choose the multiple photo icon which is located above the photo gallery. Now tap the photos you want to add in the order you want them to appear in your stories. A number will show up when you tap each photo, so you know the order. You can add up to 10 photos in your stories at a time. Tap next. Now you can begin to add stickers, text or music to your photos. Now once you have edited the photos, tap to next. Once you tap on it, you can see the done option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on done. And now you have successfully posted your multi-image story on your Instagram account. Sharing multiple images on your Instagram stories or posts is a time-saving process that will help you increase engagement and create a cohesive theme within your content. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Thank you.